I know, it's so purple. Hey, I've never really noticed it before in my whole life until I started being like a rock person. And then I was like, what? But lithium, or they use in batteries. So one day, like, I don't know, I mean, if we'll ever be allowed to mine around here. Yeah, we're gonna go look at the fish wheel. But these little, so wherever there is, like wherever, like back in the day, those would have been where creeks were coming down, right? Where the slide is here. That's like, would have been a lake up there kind of thing. And if we're gonna find any good crystals, that would be in there. Okay.
The fish wheel looks like a boat.
Fish wheel looks like a boat. Fish wheel looks like a wheel with fish coming out of it. McCall Flats Bridge.
Does it look like a boat?
Mommy likes these mountains. Look at the purple up there.
It really looks like a boat. I'm telling you, it looks like a boat.
Literally, it looks like a boat, eh?
I'm telling you, it's a boat. I'm telling you, it looks like a boat.
I always feel like when I'm filming, it's like a bear's chasing me or something. Look at that slide, though. Oof, what's in there? What's in there? Oh, yeah, fish wheel.
Yeah,
This old bridge.
See that
This is
boat?
such a cool old bridge,
See?
too.
It looks like a boat. See it?
Where does the fish go?
Where's the fish going in that boat?
It does look like a boat. It looks like from like Waterworld or something. Hey, where's Kevin Costner? How did they even get that on there?
I told you it looks like a boat.
Where's all the fish? Oh, it's slowing down.
Why is it really slowing down?
Don't put your foot there, okay? See where the spurt is? Keep your feet out of there. Oh, fish wheel. Man, that's cool. Kind of. Hang on to your hat. Don't lose your hat. Hang on to your hat. Where does that go? There's a red patch up there too. Where is it? Oh, right there. Look. Whoa. All right. So this is that's bridge.
Oh, it's got very slow. Look at how slow it just got.
The fish wheel.
So it can't go away.
Like this mountain over here too. Oh, it's pretty. Whew. Log and slash. Hang on to your hats. There's a road over there too. I want to get. Can't go through there right now, but when the water's lower, we can. Yeah, that fish wheel's cool. Look at all that purple. Look at all that purple up on that mountain. Man, look at that. We gotta pick some rock on that side, I guess, eh? Right across from here, we need to pick some rock. Why is that so purple? It's so purple. That's purple and that's purple. Man, that's cool. Where is that? Oh, I know where that is.
So slow.
Neat mountains here. They even look purple this from this shot. Cool. I don't see any fish in this wheel though. So the band set this up so they could get more fish, but I don't see anything. Are they supposed to be stuck in the net? Must be, right? They must be supposed supposed to be stuck in the net. Okay, so that's a Mad Dog Mountain Arts video. Sorry you guys, I didn't say much Mad Dog Mountain Arts today, but now I am. This is a good fishing spot. You can come here and fish here. I don't know if you can fish across from the good. Maybe you want to fish from that beach up here. Big sand hill over there. That looks great. Geological Road. You seen me drive up the other day. We were over there. There's some water under the wheel. Here's the color of our water now.
Yeah, so when fish comes in that water,
This is the Geological mixing in with water. This is downhill to the left. These days. Go farther down here and use that some mix in. It doesn't really change the color of the water though, it's all the same. Yeah. No, that's the first time. It's the first fish wheel. Look at that up there. Isn't that pretty? We should go up there. Dude. I always look at the spots where it's green and think like, oh, look at that nice grass. But it's actually like bush, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tangle of bush.
Yeah.
Man, it's pretty though.
Does that look
It's
like
so
grass?
pretty. It does from here, or like nice beautiful moss, but you get up there, it's probably barbs.
You think it's grass every time?
It's just something Mummy thinks, yeah. In her fantastical world, that's what I imagine. Oh, it's just beautiful grass.
And then you'd be like, nope, that's maybe a claim that's a bush.
No, if you climbed up there, it would be so steep and so bushy. Wouldn't be beautiful like that at all. But it's
Yeah.
beautiful from here. Looks
Yeah,
like,
we'd be like, oh, it's beautiful grass, and you're gonna say,
but you could climb
Wait,
up
that's
there.
a
You
bush.
climb up here.
What is the orange in this one? It's just